So we're up to the road, and we're ready to go to the playground. And he says, let's go, let's go. Okay, now you can go through. Yay, he says, we're going to play. Go around the edge, buddy. Oh, you want to go right through the middle. Yeah. Icky ground, huh? What a good boy. All right, now you're going to walk down. Now you get to walk down. Yes, the bugs are bad. Walk, walk, walk. Just walk. Ground through the middle of this has gotten very porous and can be very dangerous because it just drops out from under their feet. Good boy. Look at you. Put that head down and just work your way up that hill. Good boy. All right, let's come around. And we're going to walk down. Good boy. Building muscles, building muscles. It's kind of a boring way to do it, but if it's the only hill you've got, then that's what you use. That's a boy. That's a boy. Let's go left. Come left. Come left. And we'll go back down again, and I want you to set your butt. Tuck your butt up under you. Tuck your butt up under you. You don't quite have that yet, but you'll get it. Walk on. Last year we had enough rain that this was so deep in weeds that when I drove through it, they were above my head. Yep. Up you go. Ugh. What a good boy. What a good boy. Okay, back down again. Go out one more time and then we'll go home. You'll get the hang of setting your butt. Yes, you will. Walk on up there. Good boy. There you go. Oh, let's come back this way a ways. See if we can hit that at a diagonal so that we don't rip the axle off the cart. That's a nice deep spot. And we can do the same thing going across the road. One big new hole in this field. I don't know how it is, but out of 460 acres, I can find it. Well, there's a happy Buster. He got to do some muscle work, and he's gotten out for an exercise, and he's about to working trot. What a good boy. I know you've got a bug, sweetie. My face is out of the wind and the bugs have figured out they can land there. That is one of the advantages of working in the wind, is that at least it blows the bugs away. Yes, you are. Let's see if we can make a nice big circle here. There you go. No falling in on your circle. Very nice. Very nice. Well, let's make a left circle. What you're doing, or what you think you're doing. Your left circle was not as good as your right circle. No. But you did what I asked, and that's what's important. Such a good boy. His mother is a horse that will follow a path, and if she's not on a path, she's not happy. Even if it's just a wheel track. She's happy. Unfortunately, she teaches her children to be the same way. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but there's a little mound to our left. And the dogs pretty much leave this mound alone. Let's walk. Walk. And I don't know if you can see up on top over here, there's a hole. There's coyotes that live in that mound. And only Nikki would be the one that would go and check it out. Go this way. Let's follow that one. You've been a good boy. Yes, you've done a lot of good work today. So, we'll end this section.